Hey Siri, can you please list 10 good Christmas movies for me?
Sure, here are 10 highly recommended Christmas films. Home Alone.
Wait, did you just say Die Hard? That's not a Christmas movie.
According to my information, Die Hard is considered a Christmas movie by many people. It takes place at an office Christmas party and contains Christmas themes.
I see your point, but just because it happens to take place at Christmas doesn't make it a Christmas movie.
Many top film critics and websites classify Die Hard as a Christmas movie. For example, Rotten Tomatoes calls it the greatest Christmas story ever told. Even protagonist John McClane's wife is named Holly, a reference to the Christmas season.
Just because John McClane's wife is named Holly doesn't change that! Sorry, that debate ends here as far as I'm concerned. Whoa, what is happening? An earthquake? What the heck is that?
Yippee-ki-yay, buddy.
Bruce Willis. Really, Bruce Willis?
McClane. John McClane, actually. I am here because I have a big gift for you.
For me?
That's right, for you. But here's the thing, I can only give it to you if you agree that Die Hard is a Christmas movie.
What kind of sorcery is this? I was literally having a conversation with Siri about it.
And?
Well, Die Hard is definitely a Christmas movie.
Great, it's all yours.
Apology accepted whenever you are ready.
Quiet, Siri.
What was in the envelope, you ask? Well, a $10,000 check, because this is what we do at Christmas. Changing thousands of families' opinions around the world, one Christmas at a time since 1988. So what do you say? Will you be next?
Heck yeah, where is my money?
Nothing makes no
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly take your seats. The feature film will begin shortly.